let's go through the problem. So we are let's say that we are given an array of asteroids of integer representing asteroids in a row, and for each asteroid the absolute value represents the size and sign represents its direction. If it is positive, it is moving towards right. If it is negative, it is moving towards left. So each asteroid moves at the same speed. So we have to find out the state of asteroid after road collision. So the condition over here is if two asteroid meets, the smaller one will explode, and if both have the same size, both will explode. The two asteroids moving the same direction will never meet. So we are given this example over here. So it is 5. And this asteroid of size 5 is moving towards right. Here is 10, and this is moving towards left. So when this collide with this one, it will explode, and the result will be 5 and 10 only. Here, both like this asteroid is moving towards right, and this is towards left, and both have the same size, so they both will explode on collision. So therefore, the array is this. Here we have 10, 2, minus 5. So basically, if it is moving towards right and it is also moving towards right, it is moving towards left. When these two collide, the asteroid with the size 2 will explode as it has smaller size. And when this and this collide, the asteroid with the size 5 will explode. Therefore, the answer is minus 10. It's a pretty easy, and the implementation is also pretty easy. So let's go through the implementation of this. Like basically what we'll do, let me just first explain the algorithm. So basically what we'll do, we will make an array and we'll start putting the asteroids in it. So basically, suppose we have an array called a array, and we have put the first asteroid in it, and then we move, like we start from this, from the first index. We will check the last asteroid in the array. If it is moving towards, now basically first we will check our current asteroid, the direction of the current asteroid. If it's moving towards right, then it will not collide. As of now, there is no asteroid it will collide with, right? And if it is moving towards left, we will check the last asteroid which is in the array, and we'll check the direction. If it is moving towards right, then we'll compare these two. Like we'll put condition uh, whatever satisfy, we will remove the one and we'll keep the other. So basically, if as this is moving towards right, so therefore there is no need to comparison. We directly push it into the array. Now we have 5 and 10 in our array. Now we have minus 5 and it is moving towards left. So we'll compare it with the last asteroid in our array, which is 10. And as the size of this is greater than the 5, therefore it will explode and we will not push into the array. Therefore, the state of our final array will be 5, 10. It's 8 minus 8. We have pushed it. Now we'll compare it. Now we have more, like we'll start with this iterator and we'll compare it with the last asteroid we have in our array, which is 8. If like the size of these two is, let's see what to say, is same, therefore both will explode and we'll pop out the last element which was 8 from the array, and the final state will be empty. And this is 10 2. So first we have pushed 8, then we have pushed 2 as it is moving in the right direction, therefore we have nothing to compare it with. When we come to the minus 5, then we will compare these two. As the last asteroid in our array has a smaller size than our current asteroid, therefore we remove the last asteroid which is 2. Now we have 10 and minus 5. Now we will compare this with the 10 as it has smaller size, so we will remove it and the final state of our array will be 10 only. This will is the basic algorithm, and this the implementation is also very simple. So here we have initialized the array, and this is this number of asteroids we have. We have pushed the first asteroid in the array. Now we have moved. Now we'll move from the first asteroid to the last, and we will check the direction of our current asteroid. If the current asteroid is uh, moving towards left, then we will compare. If it is moving towards right, we will directly push into our array. So if it is moving towards left, what we'll do, we will keep on checking the last element until and last element. If it is greater than like if it is moving towards right, then they both will collide, right? And if the last asteroid in our array has less size than our current asteroid, then we'll pop back, like we'll remove the last element, last asteroid from the array. So we'll keep doing on it until the size of the array becomes zero, or the asteroid has bigger size, or the last asteroid is moving towards left. Now we'll check if the if there is some asteroid and it is positive and they have the both same, like have the same size. If they have the same size, we will pop back the last and we'll continue. Like we are checking for this case now. Then at the end we will check if there is any asteroid in the array, or if the last asteroid is moving towards left. As there is a not symbol, so we'll take the note of this condition. If there is no asteroid which is moving towards right, then we will directly push the asteroid which is moving towards left, as there is nothing to collide with. We have already discussed this case, and we'll finally return the our asteroid array. Now let's submit. I've already submitted and it worked fine. Let's see again.